We think that when I achieve this thing, I'll be happy. And I have some evidence that that model worked in the past. I achieved something, I was happy. It was short-lived. I needed the next thing. And every single time when I placed a goal in my life, like I'm going to achieve this thing because then I'll be happy, every time you set a goal for this purpose, you're robbing yourself of happiness in the meantime. You're effectively postponing your happiness for later. You know, once you achieve the goal. The world is upside down. It's inside out. And it's so much easier to achieve all the things that you want to achieve while you're happy. Hence, follow your highest excitement to the best of your ability. Hence, listen to your heart. Hence, stay on this passion wave. Your excitement being the true expression of who you really are. That's living in authenticity, living in alignment with your inner self. That's all you gotta do. You're already winning. You don't need to win the goal. Just going for it because it's exciting. You're already winning. You're doing the very thing you're supposed to be doing. Maintain your excitement.